being appointed as DP leader of Kampala Central District Branch, swear in the name of the Almighty God, solemnly affirm that I will at all times well and truly serve the Democratic Party in the office of Secretary General, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Democratic Party against all enemies within and externally, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion as by the law established. So help me Allah.
You will be respected if people know where you stand. So many of our DP members have lost respect. We have seen leaders we groomed now, Bafuse Chitagasa, Baba Vuma, they are being harassed because they made themselves cheap. Anyway, Omuganda agamba etaala ereeta enswa yereeta n'ebizezenge. So, you know the bizezenge, these insects which go around whenever they see light. In all constituencies where you come from, the chairpersons are here. We cannot enroll all of them, but we wanted to show you that we NEC members also belong to the branches where we come from. So asante sana, karibuni na hongera sana Mr. President. Hekumire kumire ya fe.